In this video, I'll show you how to analyze images with Claude AI. This is a quick way to get insights, descriptions, or explanations from an image. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click the plus icon next to the message box to open the Tools menu. From the menu that appears, I'll select the option to upload a file or image. Now I'll choose the image file from my computer that I want Claude to analyze. Once the image uploads, it will appear in the chat message area. Next, I'll click inside the message box and type a prompt such as, "Analyze this image and explain what it shows." Then I'll click the Send button. Claude will examine the image and generate a detailed response describing the content or explaining what's happening in the image. If I want more specific insights, I can ask Claude to identify objects, summarize the scene, extract text from the image, or explain details. Once the analysis is generated, I can copy the information and use it for research, captions, or documentation. And that's it. I've successfully analyzed an image using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.